catcher say, I'm a proven coach, world-class, top-proven coach of 15 years. Mepacho Otuado, does he have a 15-year record? No, never. This is his first major coaching exercise. No one Dortmund, no a youth team coach. It say in Kolan ne ba na wote chum. On your beer or what tactical approach, tactical acumen na. Say be on the field of day no go say play away ball na me say. Okay, Black Star games there boy there was a problem with us. Your wingers, no, they were not moving. The laterals, they were not moving. The back was weak, and the middle, which used to be our main strength, the midfield, was non-existent. Okay, body here. Even Niger, when Niger has a chance, and now moving forward, very dangerous. Black Star movie are predictable. Who say you be pass no back actually kwasi abo sa 1928 ball near pass ko actually sa yes, but you see, don't make mistake. Any players here no, we have some of the finest players. Country are you want 6 or more players in the Premiership. Any country all our players are top players. Our respective clubs are almost coach in there. Maybe they are coaching in there. Number 2, the way our GFA is structured, corrupt and it's a ninja.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Baba Xposed Watch FM members. So subscribe and the two pa na won saka. And then make football kaka Black Stars of Ghana. Omo as a poto. Just say me who be that. Fisi wo me. Black Stars says be me who be that. Black Star Niger ni Sudan and Angola. I share with there. Let just say asem na critical. Na ye press conference na journalist ba ku bisa Otuado say masa. Are you a training scout or are you a coach? Are you a training scout? No, beside say, but master, what church and Kolane ball na say, we now consider say player be between your ball because coaching ya we dey any coaching papa. No can we any coach mwaya the man.
Okay. Ask again. Are you really a coach with certificates as coach or you are just a trainer scout?
If you want to, you can ask the third time. Or fourth time. But if you want to, I can also answer.
Okay, answer me.
What third time you can ask the question again?
No, the first one, are you ready to apologize to Ghanaians?
Yes.
For your poster, I'm not sure you are ready.
No.
And the second one is, are you really a coach, like certified coach, or you are a trainer scout? Because you resign at Qatar. Why are you not resigning?
You resign at Qatar. You can answer. You resign at Qatar. You resign after the World Cup.
And you can answer.
Qatar. I don't know what to do. You resign at Qatar. Okay. No, I'm not asking the question yet. You say you didn't hear the question again? You resign at Qatar.
Charlie, you should call. Whoever wants that question.
Please, go.
Let's respect each other. Let us respect. He's asked a question. I want to answer.
Exactly.
Please. Okay. So, really, I would like to apologize for the results. Very much. Good. If I have a wish, one wish, I know for a lot of people, even the World Cup is bigger than the AFCON. For me, personally, the AFCON is bigger. For me, personally, it's just a personal thing. I know for a lot of people, it's more important to go to the World Cup, and I did it once. And I'm just saying, after I did it for the World Cup, before even I came, a lot of people were against me. I can show you hundreds things, my friends, but nobody apologized afterwards. Not some few, not a lot.
Yeah.
This is the first one. But I'm ready to apologize very, very much. I'm so sorry. I'm very so sorry that we didn't do well and we didn't qualify. I'm very sorry. This one, 100%. I really have to apologize because I know how much it means for every Ghanaian to play in this tournament.
Thank you.
I know it. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, please. The second thing is, and they are going to be very, very precise. Very precise. I stopped playing football after I turned I teared my ACL, even one time when I played for Ghana. And then afterwards I couldn't play. My knee is gone. Okay? Also given everything for the country. When I was 37, I started my C license. I worked in Hamburg, and the under-19 coach. I started as an assistant under-19 coach. Then 5 years, I was the head coach of the under-19 in Hamburg. Afterwards, I went to Denmark, first division, as an assistant coach for 1.5 years. As an assistant coach in the first division. Okay? Afterwards, I went to Borussia Mönchengladbach as an assistant coach and talent manager. And at that time, Kwesi Appiah asked me, because Ghana was having Germany in their group, if I could scout for him in Germany, because I was living in Germany, to show him their strengths and their weaknesses. So I did this in 2014. 2014, for 6 months, I watched every match Germany played to prepare Kwesi Appiah for the World Cup in 2014 in Brazil. This is 6 months of scouting for Ghana. Only for Ghana. Nobody else asked me. Only for Ghana, I scouted. 6 months. Then, so during that time also I did my B license, I did my A license. For this, you always have to work in a certain position to be able to do it. It takes 1 year. After that, I did my UEFA Pro license. I did my UEFA Pro license as a coach to coach every team I want in the world. It was a long way, very long, a lot of studies. I did hospitations. So because I played together with Vince's company, I went to Manchester City to 1 week to talk with Guardiola, to see how he trains, whatever. I went to other clubs. I don't really want to mention that doesn't matter. Okay. So this is my journey, and I went to Brazil with the team of Ghana, 2014, because Kwesi liked what I did. He said, it would be great if you could come to Brazil to scout not only Germany, but also the teams we are playing against during the tournament, what's happened, so that he's actually up to date. I think, to be honest, we played very well. It was Kwesi Appiah who did it 2-2. There were a lot of problems within the team, and the story, 2014 was a little bit difficult. But again, Germany, I think they played very well. This was the only team who played draw against Germany. And after that, I went back to coaching. I went back to Gladbach with Borussia Mönchengladbach, first division, assistant coach, but also in charge of the talents. And then, because we brought some young guys up, Dortmund hired me back again. And I've been there 5 years, and I've been also 8 months because they hired one coach and assistant in the coach. So I did I started 37 and now 49, 12 years of coaching. 12 years of coaching and 6 months of scouting. Now I'm asking, what am I? And during the scouting also I was coaching. I never stopped. What am I?
Well, then I think you scouting is better than you coaching.
Okay,
you are good at scouting than coaching.
Okay.
Because coaching, you are not good at coaching.
Okay.
I know Dika because Sebe Blaster coach was said there me who be that. Some of us we take pride in Ghana. Some of us me roll Blackstar that to send you bimu kwaya na kudo score ball no. Shameful. We are Ghana ni to be a fa Ghana will be a say wakuma wom. Say nya, let's fix it. That is the problem with Ghanaians. Adiani nya na ye uhuro no wana na fix him out. Na we nim say we na boss em. And you're correct. But you see, I'm surprised. Okay, Kukache said, I'm a proven coach, world-class top proven coach of 15 years. But Pacho Otuado, does he have a 15-year record? No, never. This is his first major coaching exercise. No Dortmund, no a youth team coach. I say in Kola ne ba na wo chechum. Only obi a or tactical approach, tactical acumen na. Say on the field of day, no be say play away ball na me say. Osho Blaster games there boy, there was a problem with us. Your wingers, no, they were not moving. Your laterals, they were not moving. The back was weak. And the middle, which used to be our main strength, the midfield, was non-existent. Now, you got the commitment of the player. So, the first time I remember ball, it means there is a problem. You have to be control of the dressing room. I think Otto Addo has lost it. Because the control now, it means on to me and Shem Kolani the way some ball. And then the tactics no ball and you're up to date. Because the tactics near a fine ball. So I saw person ball Pep Guardiola ball no there no movement in here attacking play no and yet it's a ball known as any number one my because ball here even Niger when Niger has a chance and now moving forward very dangerous. Black Star movie are predictable. Who say you be passing no back actually kwasia ball sa 1928 ball near pass actually sa nyansa bi anim. Yes, but you see, don't make mistake. Any players here no, we have some of the finest players. Country are you 6 players in the 6 or more players in the Premiership. Yenye country kitwa. All our players are top players. Our respective clubs are almost a coach in the maybe they are coaching in the number 2. The way our GFA is structured, and corrupt and it's a ninja. I'm telling you. And then I'm to say your first CK Akono say during his time, not they were imposing players on him. Sadly, why can't you, my player? Why don't you leave the player alone? Me when you see no hwehwe Otado no because no probe your main post player on the person. Yellow cats I'm so fairly power because you share coaches are not benina on passing rate below 50, which means 5 coaches now are pointing in they are below 50 on percentage what fairly portal. I'm telling you, this is not to throw away the basics of football is lost because I coach Harvard Rene. Was a more fatty mommy 100,000 made magic cap no. Yes, there be that. Yeah, Pobia, you make Jimmy near cover players album. So, me, I'm happy for one thing because this time African nations, because someone could be into Sikabi and you have a but you see, going forward, me know you're finding solutions to it. Says here. First of all, the coach needs to go. The GFA needs to reshape its core mandates. Sir, at the end of the day, football administrator, I found football people, they don't know anything. Number 2, no football administrator or GFA should be able to own a club and a bogus. Because only club, I mean, every time no person the player ever Black Star, whether the Pablo or more. And there was a blast and who pays what? The biggest. Morale is weak. Everything is weak. It's the first time they say, you're making sure the GFA no corrupt. They should put their house in order. Ket Okreku, me pacha oba ye now you hold promise. And now what fairly portal. Black Star it is lowest. I agree when it is in Niger, Sudan and mobile world Tiamo mobile. I'm waiting here assembly a few players to come and score Black Star. This is oh God, man, I'm surprised. But yeah, they are no. Oto adom pacho, we dey menisa pacho je adwuma no wabon. Unim adwuma no ye. Unim yanka. Niger meshow, Sudan meshow. Now say jinam na o kan kwase asem say you are trained under crop. Na crop na mu na kasa say not here. Club no who training were you under him? And before 1990 baby kaka is trained by him. Who training under Obiaye? You are not a coach, you are a scout. Go to first division. Go there and learn the trade. Nabra. Na don't person they should sack all of them. Niema new Blaster look. Ba mo so amuro niema muro. Ghana here dem Blaster or there. I Xposed GH FM baby sacho. O subscribe mami. E tumpe na sa kama no esi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.